what's up guys? How you guys doing today? Welcome back to the channel. So I know it's definitely been a minute since I uploaded, literally like almost a month. There's a bunch of crazy stuff that happened. So yeah, I'm not going to talk about that. So I'm just going to tell you guys what I plan on doing. So this truck is a complete mess. It needs to be completely cleaned out. Like, it is just so riddled full of crap. That seat's got to go because it's bent. As you can tell, it's like pushing down here. And yeah, I need to go to the junkyard tomorrow and see if I can find a Cadillac seat to put in here, so that way the airbag light will go off, because I unplugged all the stuff that goes underneath the seat. Need to address this right here and all this, including that. All right, so we got this thing all cleaned out. Looks so much better. I just got my toolbox and my tool bag up front, but yeah, back seat's all cleaned out except for all this crap that's going inside. That's when I was camping out, but that's just a bunch of stuff that I'm keeping in the truck. I'm about to wash the windows, but I got a brand new ball joint and 2 brand new wheel cylinders that I need to put on, so that way this truck has good brakes and don't have to worry about the ball joint snapping out. And yeah, so definitely need to try to pull that damn distributor out and try to put it in like a little bit better, just so that way it's on point with the timing. I went ahead and painted down at the bottom. I'm gonna hit it up again with some more paint, but I might go around the whole truck and do it all. So yeah, getting this thing looking good. The reason why I'm cleaning it up is because I'm actually trying to sell it.